Is it the right time to make a decision regarding Riot Blockchain stock? Today, we'll be delving deep into Riot Blockchain. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, February 16, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay informed about our latest analysis, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Crucial updates that could impact your investments shouldn't be missed. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Gain access to the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. It's important to note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of February 9, 2024, our system has identified Riot Blockchain as a favorable investment, giving it a score of 2.46. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have enjoyed a significant gain of 13.06% since we first recommended Riot Blockchain as a buy candidate just 6 days ago. This translates to an impressive average return of 2.18% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. Currently, the stock is experiencing a significant downward trend in the short term. This indicates that the stock price is likely to continue falling within this trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 4.64% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return during this period ranges from minus 43.05% to 5.00%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 22.91% change expected over the next year. The potential return during this period ranges from minus 30.35% to 70.83%. This translates to a price range of $11.46 to $28.10 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Riot Blockchain brings you this headline: Riot Blockchain stock price down 0.484% on Friday. On the last trading day, which was Friday, February 16, 2024, the Riot Blockchain stock price experienced a decrease of 0.484%. It went from $16.53 to $16.45. Throughout the day, the stock showed fluctuations of 7.22%, starting with a low of $15.92 and reaching a high of $17.07. In the past 10 days, the price has risen 6 times, and over the past 2 weeks, it has increased by 46.74%. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock, which is generally considered a positive sign. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 15 million shares on the last day, with a total of 21 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $352.54 million. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, we see that the highest price the stock reached was $20.65, while the lowest price was $5.16. Currently, the price is 20.34% below its 52-week high, which translates to a difference of $4.20. Furthermore, it is 79.31% below the all-time high, which was recorded on February 17, 2021. On that date, the price soared to $79.50. Analyst ratings. Let's take a look at the latest ratings for Riot. On Tuesday, February 13, 2024, Needham gave Riot buy grade with a hold action. Also on Tuesday, February 13, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald gave Riot an underperform grade with a hold action. Moving on to Monday, January 22, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald gave Riot a buy grade with a hold action. And on the same day, January 22, 2024, Bernstein gave Riot an underperform grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Tuesday, December 5, 2023, Barclays gave Riot buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Riot Blockchain stock a general sell rating. They rate the PE ratio as neutral and the price to book as neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a sell rating. Let's analyze the signals for Riot Blockchain stock. The Riot Blockchain stock is currently showing positive signs. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a favorable forecast. Additionally, the short-term average is above the long-term average, further supporting a buy signal. In case of a downward correction, there is potential support at $15.65 and $13.16. However, if the stock falls below these levels, sell signals may be issued. On the other hand, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It's important to note that some negative signals have also been observed, which could impact the stock's short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 14, 2024, resulting in a -6.64% decline. It is expected that the stock may continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, the volume of trading fell alongside the price during the last trading day. This suggests that the overall risk is reduced, as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which is showing a buy signal. The pivots indicator gave a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands are indicating a buy signal that occurred 80 days ago. The short-term moving average also shows a buy signal 9 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average has a buy signal that was generated 7 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 4 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average also signaled a buy 8 days ago. Moreover, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you'd like to explore more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Riot Blockchain. When it comes to support levels, the stock has some interesting points. Just below today's level, we can find support at $15.47 and $15.14. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there's a risk involved. If the current support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, Riot Blockchain has support at $15.47. If this level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $15.14 and $13.09. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with this stock. Riot Blockchain is considered to be very high risk due to its volatility. It has the potential to move significantly during the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band predicts a wide range of movement for this stock. So, it's important to be aware of this risk before making any investment decisions. Looking at the stock's recent performance, we can see that it has been quite volatile. In the past day, it had a price difference of $1.15 between its high and low, representing a 7.22% change. And over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 10.28%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Riot Blockchain, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either losing money or has negative earnings. Established companies may face temporary downturns due to external factors, but consistently negative P/E ratios could suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for March 07, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.290. These figures can significantly influence stock prices, so it's worth keeping an eye on them. Today, I want to talk about some potential day trading levels for Riot Blockchain. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Riot Blockchain is at $16.68. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be broken before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a good level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Riot Blockchain has its first support level at $15.47. If this level holds, it could present a great entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Riot Blockchain is sell. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 3, 2024, Chung Jason made an insider buy of 1 million shares of common stock. On January 3, 2024, Colin M. conducted an insider buy of 1 million shares of restricted stock units. On January 3, 2024, Chung Jason made an insider buy of 1 million shares of common stock. On January 3, 2024, Les Jason conducted an insider buy of 5 million shares of common stock. On January 3, 2024, Su Il Benjamin conducted an insider buy of 5 million shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be positive with a ratio of 61.828. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 24,146,163 shares and sold 8,133,614 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $15.53, which represents a decrease of 5.58%. This particular stock is characterized by its significant daily movements, resulting in a higher level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred just 2 days ago. Is Riot Blockchain stock a good buy? Although the stock is currently in a falling trend, there are several short-term signals that indicate a positive outlook. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level, with a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. On Tuesday, February 20th, we anticipate Riot Blockchain to open up at $16.48, which represents an increase of $0.0300 from the previous closing price. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of potential losses. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Keep in mind that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this stock. Comment below and share your perspective. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.